Namaskar, I am Tanvi Sekya from Mumbai, glad to join the online speech competition organized by Jukti Bikas Samiti, Assam, Jorhat branch and Mukta Chinta on the occasion of 4th anniversary of Jukti Divas. My topic of speech for this occasion is scientific attitude versus superstition. Before highlighting my topic, let's have a look at some news clips. Superstition leads to murder of two near Kalyan. Mumbai. The man who is accused of throwing his friend's 3-year-old daughter from the 7th floor of his apartment was driven by superstitious belief that sacrificing human life will solve all problems of his life. देवी को खुश करने के लिए पहले मासूम की जीभ काटी, फिर गला दबा के मार डाला. Udalguri, Assam. A school teacher's family was allegedly involved in an attempted child sacrifice. On 25th January 2021, believing in rebirth theory, highly educated superstitious couple murder two daughters in Andhra Pradesh. These incidents have once again proved the existence of the superstitious belief which is still prevalent in our society. Numerous superstitious beliefs are practiced by the Indian society. Some of these beliefs are sorcery, black magic, witch hunting, quackery, feng shui, reiki, unscientific treatment, etc. But the most unfortunate and pathetic form of superstition is human sacrifice. A superstition is a belief or practice resulting from ignorance, fear of the unknown, trust in magic or chance, or irrational abject attitude of mind toward supernatural, nature, or God resulting from superstition. It is commonly applied to belief and practices surrounding luck, prophecy, or certain spiritual beings, particularly the belief that future events can be foretold by specific unrelated prior events. Superstition is something which is deeply rooted in our society. The problem requires an in-depth study so that the mentalities of those involved in such acts are understood. The National Crime Records Bureau (NCRB) started compiling separate data on human sacrifice since 2014. Altogether, 52 persons were reported to have been sacrificed to appease some god, 16 in 2014, 24 in 2015, 12 in 2016. Most of the victims has been minors. Besides, 156 people were killed due to witchcraft in 2014, 135 in 2015 and 134 in 2016. Here I want to mention a very sensitive case from Delhi. The deaths of 11 members of a family in Delhi's Burari under yet unexplained circumstances have once again shifted spotlight on occult practices and superstitious beliefs that continue to kill people. Now let's have a look at its news clip.
तो बुराड़ी में एक ही परिवार के 11 लोगों के शव मिलने के 3 दिन बाद भी ये गुत्थी अनसुलझी है कि आखिर उस रात हुआ क्या था।
मंजिल पर 10 लोग फांसी पर लटके मिले थे पुलिस को, और उस वक्त ये सवाल उठा कि आखिर इतने सारे लोगों की मौत कैसे हो सकती है। पुलिस को ये शक है जो परिवार का बेटा था ललित, उसने ही अंधविश्वास के चक्कर में सभी को परमात्मा से मिलने के लिए कहा कि परमात्मा से मिलेंगे क्योंकि मेरे पिताजी ने ऐसा कहा है। तो पुलिस को लगता है कि अंधविश्वास की वजह से इन सभी लोगों की जान गई।
The reasons behind such superstitious beliefs are lack of scientific temperament, lack of education, low financial condition, lack of proper development, low healthcare facilities, etc. The reasons are many and we cannot attribute it to one or two particular reasons. As I've mentioned before, we need to do an in-depth study. As I've said, the Udalguri incident took place in a household of a science teacher. He was economically stable and had a social status. Now what can be the reason behind such heinous act? We need to do an in-depth study, analyze and then come to some conclusion. Our problems are nothing but our superstitious mind. Mind has been so influenced since ages with age-old traditional belief system. Religious people are so much scared. They have a fear that if a particular religious ritual is not performed, then God may not be happy, and so on. They don't understand God never wants such attitudes. Instead of such negative attitude, trust, devotion, and bhakti is important. People don't understand that their fear cause harm to many innocent minds. Why fear God? God is love. Solutions are there. We are improving very slowly. We need scientific temper, scientific attitude, along with proper knowledge. At least knowledge would help a person to find out the reason behind such thoughts. Instead of so much awareness of education, still there are so many people who are still lacking of proper education and logic of science. Is it not surprising that one has to give his life for fighting scientifically against superstition and religious belief system? It is very sad that Dr. Narendra Dabholkar has to die an unfortunate death. Scientific attitude is the most important outcome of science teaching, which helps us to think rationally. It is the combination of many qualities and virtues which are reflected through a person's behavior and action. Education in science needs more boost up along with other studies. Even one should have to know the science and its logic behind. Through scientific education, science has to penetrate through societies and communities to get rid from age-old superstitious belief system from the minds of the religious, God-fearing people. All have to understand that spirituality brings unity of mind, whereas religious rigidity divides mind of the people. Many states of India have implemented anti-superstition acts, but a superstitious mind cannot be changed by the force of law. For that, a mental change, proper education, and scientific attitude is necessary. Lastly, I want to say that even though we are highly educated and received world's best knowledge, but if our minds are not scientifically developed and culture, then we can't get rid of superstitious belief. Thank you.